constructivist approach, the following are the roles of a teacher except ang hinahanap natin ay hindi kasama sa roles ng isang teacher na naniniwala sa constructivism. Would this be letter A, scaffolds and guides, letter B, warm demander, letter C, empowering model, or letter D, sage on the stage? What do you think is the right choice? Exception po yung ating hinahanap, ha? Exception. Kung inyo po nakikita ko po yung nagbibilog, no, sa ating pong question, po pwede po kayo mag-underline, po pwede po kayo magbilog, especially kapag nakita po natin yung not. Except does not include para hindi po tayo nabubulag, no? Hindi po tayo nalilito sa ating isasagot. Okay? So sabi dito, kung ang pinag-uusapan natin is constructivism. You remember constructivism? You are building or the students are building upon their knowledge. You give them activities and chances so that they can build upon their knowledge. You use their prior knowledge, di ba? Kinukuha mo yung prior knowledge nila, inaalam mo kung ano na yung alam nila, and then you build upon that knowledge as you add more and newer concepts. Okay? So alin daw po dito yung exception? Alin daw po dito hindi kasama sa roles ng isang teacher na constructivist sa kanila pong approach? And of course, no, tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter D, sage on the stage. Kasi sabi ng letter A mo, scaffolds and guides. Ibig sabihin, tumutulong sa estudyante, nag-guide sa estudyante. Warm demander, no? Bakit po swakto or sakto yung warm demander? Kasi warm demander, this means authoritative, di ba? Sabi natin, being authoritative is the best type of teachers. This is the best type of parents, di ba? You are warm, you are supportive, you are loving, but at the same time, you also have high demands, di ba? Mataas din yung expectation mo. And of course, letter C, empowering model, no? So modelo siya, sinusundan siya ng mga estudyante, and at the same time, the teacher empowers, gives them the chance to grow. So ang bukod tangi hindi po kasama dyan is letter D, sage on the stage. Kasi kapag sinabi po nating sage, ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay eksperto na palagi nasa stage. Nako, parang yung mga senador natin gusto mag-privilege speech, di ba? So sage on the stage, palagi silang naka-lecture lamang, okay, about their expertise. So hindi na po yan yung ating pinaniniwalaan, hindi na po yan yung ating roles as teachers sa constructivism na approach, no? Kasi sa constructivist approach, tayo po ay facilitator na lamang. So imbis na sage on the stage, ano nga, no? Guide on the side na lamang po tayo. As facilitators, we are merely guide on the side, okay? So we do not take the spotlight, no? Yung students po natin yung magti-take ng spotlight, tayo nagsa-scaffold lamang, nag-guide lamang po sa kanila. And so letter D is X, no? So ito po letter D, nangyayari po ito sa essentialist, di ba? Essentialism, kung saan yung ating po mga teachers are seen as the only ones who have the knowledge, di ba? Fountain of knowledge and the paragon of virtues, no? So essentialist po na approach yung ating sage on the stage.